Hello everyone. I'm trying to make one of these fancy TikTok videos. I'm gonna try and put this little chicken harness on Jumpies and see if it fits her. Listen on, they hear me. Come on. Come on, girls. Come and get it, girls. Let's see if Jumpies likes, or if I can get her on this. I named her Jumpies because she jumps a lot. Come on, girl, get your head in there. Bam. Don't be difficult. Look at her cute little... Shit, this might be too small. Look at her little wings. This might be... Hold on. And then where's the clippy? Where do I clip the clippy? No, wait a minute. Sorry, Jumpies. Look at her. I didn't put it right. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Be patient with me. This ring goes like this. Oh, okay, wait. No, I didn't have it right. Okay, wait. This wing, you gotta pull this wing, little chicken wing. Hold on. No, it's too small. It's too small, folks. Sorry. Little Jumpy. It's too small.